What do you think about this for the black and white display? Hmm? Do you think that that's a good choice? Or what about that? It's just not as modern as I'm going for. This is why Homesense is the coffee station world. Biscuit. Everything you need to go with your coffee station. All the cups over there, the canisters, the kitchen supplies, all the coffee syrups, including some really interesting ones like these are for teas. A beautiful selection of teas. It's always so exciting, like Christmas, finding out what kind of new teas and coffee pods they have here. Again, so exciting having a coffee maker, because I've been looking at coffee pods for years and years and years. And I never thought I'd get one because of the environmental aspect, but I found out they can be recycled, and it was actually a surprise to me that my coffee maker had that extra function.
That might be good.
What the heck is this? It's a little too modern. It's like the absence of two vases. I don't know. I love the modern, but I have to also feel it. I love Homesense. This is great. That is a beautiful tree holder. Except it's gigantic, isn't it, Biscuit? Biscuit! It would be great if I could find black coasters, because the black is what's going to make it the most striking and the most unusual. These silver would be good, but I'm worried they're too Christmassy. Just plain white or black. This has a bit of gold and I'm going with silver, so I think the white, even though I want it to be super modern, I'm thinking maybe because it's a bit of a geometric shape, that will work.
You like them.
These are really nice. The floral display here is huge. found this. I want to find just a very modern white. That with all this great taste, I'm ultimately attracted to this.